What's the meaning of Antiguan? Antiguan. 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 Antiguan.
The term Antiguan refers to anything or anyone that is related to the island country of Antigua and Barbuda, located in the Caribbean Sea. The country is known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant culture, and rich history. Antigua and Barbuda gained independence from Britain in 1981 and has since become a popular destination for tourists from around the world. The population of Antigua and Barbuda is approximately 100,000. The official language is English, and the currency is the Eastern Caribbean dollar.